Kenmore Ice Machine Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Kenmore Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Crushed Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Elite Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Portable Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Under-Counter Ice Machine Repair, Kenmore Elite Ice Machine Repair, along with all other Kenmore ice machine models. If your Kenmore ice machine needs repaired or your Kenmore ice machine needs serviced, if your Kenmore ice machine won't make ice, or if your Kenmore ice machine is leaking, if your Kenmore ice machine jams up, whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.